welcome back to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Thank you so much to the new subscribers and the returning subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. We appreciate it a lot. And today I was just silent. By the way, today I was not very much prepared to actually shoot the video, but I've kept quiet and I've realized something very great about the people of Jamaica. They are actually best in anything. They produce the best of everything. And today I want to highlight some of the things that have hit the world in a very big way, and they are actually from Jamaica, manufactured in Jamaica, prepared in Jamaica, done in Jamaica, done by the people of Jamaica. And I realized whatever Jamaicans do, it becomes the best. Not just saying it, because I'm going to highlight some of the things that have been done by Jamaicans and some of the things that were done in Jamaica that have hit the World Guinness Book of Record. Like, for example, Jamaicans over the years have been the fastest people in the world. And when we look at them, you can actually wonder what makes Jamaica to be the best in athletics. Many have wondered, but they have never come up with an answer, because it's very hard to explain how Jamaicans have actually conquered so many countries in athletics. The mighty, the powerful, the small, they have led in the short distance races over decades. And we really know they are still keeping the record even up to today. Not forgetting, Jamaica produces the best lamb in the whole world. It is actually the rad of the best. Jamaica is the rad of the best, because you can wonder, of all the lambs that are prepared in the whole world, Jamaican lamb has hit the Guinness Book of Record as the best, one of the best lambs in the world. Not forgetting, Jamaican food has also hit the Guinness Book of Record as the second best food in the whole world. By the way, it is actually the best food in the whole world, because the one that is considered to be the best food is a snack. And therefore, Jamaican's food is actually the best in the whole world. Can you imagine that? Whatever Jamaicans do with their hearts, or whatever is done in Jamaica, becomes the best. It's not a joke, guys. That is the fact of the matter. What about the coffee? It is actually produced, cultivated in Jamaica, and it has also hit the Guinness Book of Record as the best coffee in the whole world. That is the coffee that comes from the Blue Mountain, and it is considered the best coffee in the whole world. Can you actually wonder how Jamaica has actually managed to produce the best of everything? The best in athletics, the best in beauty. Actually, we have talked about it. They have actually produced several Miss World who have actually come from Jamaica, and some of them read in singing in one of the Miss World competitions. Whatever Jamaicans touch with their hands, they tend to be the best. Not forgetting that their music is considered the best in the whole world. It is actually, it should be called Jamaica, the rad of the best. Because whatever they touch with their hands, whatever they do, whatever they produce, hits the Guinness Book of Record. So the Jamaican music has actually hit the world record as the best music in the whole world and the most sung music in the whole world. And remember that Jamaica, I always keep on reminding you, it's just a small island, but they have produced the best in everything. not music, not athletics, not football. I have forgotten to talk about football and cricket and boxing and all that. Jamaica has managed to actually win in football, win in cricket, win in all those fields that I have mentioned. They have done the best. They are in the front rank in all these things. What about beauty? Jamaica is one of the best, the most beautiful island. It is the most visited island in the Caribbean. Tourists flock Jamaica to see the beauty of the island and to see how beautiful the island is. Even in the natural creation of God, they are the best. When it comes to the rivers, when it comes to the beaches, when it comes to the caves, when it comes to historical sites, Jamaica have been in the forefront in all this. How can we explain this, by the way? What about in fighting for justice? Guys, Jamaicans are the best in fighting for justice. You can wonder what is so unique and peculiar about the people of Jamaica that in everything they do, in everything they put their mind in everything they actually produce, it becomes the best. Do not forget that Jamaicans were the innovators of the cure of cancer, cure of kwashiorkor, cure of actually and other innovations like the parts of the aeroplane. They have also innovated in iron. I remember saying that their formula was stolen, and they were actually the first people to do the production of iron. How comes Jamaica is the best in all this? Not forgetting that Jamaica is actually refining most of the oil produced in Caribbean island. The other day we talked about Jamaica refining Trinidad and Tobago oil. Jamaica refining Cuba oil. Is it Cuba or Guyana? One of the islands. And Jamaica has been in the forefront to be the one refining. Jamaica has not had the oil being produced because I think Jamaican oil is in the process of commercializing. It has not yet come to the stage of being refined or being marketed or being sold, because it's at the stage whereby it's being considered commercial. They are investigating whether it can be commercial. And therefore Jamaica gets the oil from the other island, refines it, and then sells it to them. Have you ever heard that? Because they are the best in what they tend to do. And I think the reason why is because they are zealous, they are very hardworking, they are resilient, they are very, very patient in what they do, and they put all their energy, all their mind, all their souls, all their will in whatever they intend to do. And this has put Jamaica to be in the forefront in everything they do. Not forgetting that Jamaica actually fought for so many countries to attain independence. They were on the forefront. Actually in South Africa, they pushed the end of apartheid. And therefore, we can actually celebrate Jamaicans today for the great work well done. Whatever they have tried to do, it has succeeded in a very big way. It has blown the mind of the world. It has made it in every country in the world. And today, we celebrate Jamaica for being the best in all what they do. I don't want to actually make this video long because I wanted to talk about Jamaica the best in all what they do. Guys, there is something I wanted to tell you before I finish this video. I wanted to notify you that sometimes in this channel, I'll be preaching the word of God because like I told you earlier, I was preaching before I started shooting the video, and my heart is usually sometimes sort of questioning myself myself why I stopped. So at times I'll be bringing to you the word of God. Other times I'll be bringing to you stories about Jamaica, the land we all love. And I hope that you're going to actually listen to the word of God. I know most of you love God. Most of you would want to hear the word of God. So bye-bye for now. God bless as you watch.